Welcome to DNA Auto House. We are a family-run dealership based in the West Midlands, specialising in luxury and performance vehicles, all meticulously hand-picked to ensure our customers are receiving the highest quality products out there on the market. Which today brings us to this stunning Mercedes-Benz C-Class C43 V6 AMG Night Edition, finished off in Selenite Grey Metallic. This C43 comes with the high desirable specification, including the night package, glass sliding panoramic sunroof, .360° surround view camera, Burmester surround sound audio, augmented reality navigation, smartphone integration, electric heated memory seats, privacy glass. This C43 internally cosmetically benefits from a carbon fibre interior trim finisher and AMG black leather seating. Externally, this benefits from an AMG GTR Panamericana grille and a Maxton design V1 front splitter. This C43 AMG comes with a respectable 385 brake horsepower, having only covered 25,900 miles, 2 owners from new and in very good condition internally and externally. Full details and photos are over on our website. Any questions, please do not hesitate to ask.